Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM MP5A5 NGRS. Lovely guns these. This one has just a level 1 build on it, that's just basically the EagleSix M95 NGRS spring and a small AOE Spacer on there, just for AOE adjustment, and then that's it really. So we're ready to test this bad boy. Keep practicing my slap apparently. I'm good at it. So obviously some features of these MP5, these new ones, obviously why everyone's raving about them, is obviously a working slap. So you need to rack it back and then obviously reload it and then rack it forward in order to make it fire, because it detects when the last BBs go through there. Obviously it's got real steel resin style construction here on the handguard and the grip, which makes it feel fantastic and very robust. Obviously metal upper receiver. And so obviously that's very much feels weighted. That's the first thing people say. Absolutely no stock wobble, which is just brilliant on the stock, compared to obviously the original MP5. You know, the TM did. It was terrible for, I mean, you could wobble it and just backwards and forwards. So this is hugely better in terms of its construction. Obviously it's got the really good rotary style hop unit, the same as similar to what the M4 sock mod has. So which means you can obviously get a lot more lift, obviously precise click options, you know, to adjust it. And obviously because it's rotary style, it can't unwind itself like the old MP5 hop units was quite famous for. And yeah, obviously you know, bolt stop mechanism, recoil system in the top here with a 300-gram weight, which actually goes across the entirety of it. It's kind of similar to what the KWA designs are in terms of recoil, so therefore it does actually feel pretty good in that it's recoiling across the whole of the gun. So even though it's a top design, it does actually feel pretty good in terms of recoil, and obviously a blowback feature to simulate obviously this bit going backwards and forwards here. And so that's pretty much it in terms of features. I say it. Oh, sorry, 3-round burst. So it's got 3-round burst feature, and obviously this fire selector is amazing. By the way, it's the best fire selector. It's like basically like gas blowback levels of construction, yeah, obviously a MOSFET system installed. Okay, so obviously you get the instantaneous trigger response here from operating you know, the MOSFET system, and it's basically instant, and obviously no chance to lock up the system or anything like that from a half trigger pull, which is obviously fantastic for the full cycle completion. Basically just brilliant. And obviously if this is the way Marui is going to be going in terms of their construction, then yes, I wholeheartedly encourage this. This is amazing. So it makes me wonder if they're going to go back to M4 now, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, look forward to more of this from Marui. There you go, all good. So MP5 NGRS all tested. We hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know. But otherwise, all the information will be in the description of the video, and have fun. Thank you.